Hi, I'm Emily Johnson, and this is the website that I've created this semester. I decided to do mine for a photography business, mostly because I'm taking a digital imaging class and it was a requirement, so I spent my time making it look pretty. I have the sections up at the top for checkout, commercial, creative, fine art, portrait, and then my cart, and then my home page. This is the home page here. All of the pictures that you see on this website are mine. I haven't added anything into these three sections, but I do have them set up so that if you click on them, it'll take you to a page or a category. Once I add some content into there, it'll look a lot nicer. But I have added something into this creative tab here. This is my movie poster that I've created for my Com 316 class. It's a spoof on the Sandlot, but it's the mom lap. And if you were to hold up a copy of the Sandlot movie cover, it would be the same poses, almost identical background. The only thing is I had to add this bottle in so that movie credits would show up. But I talked about my process and images that I've taken to go into this picture. But if I go back to the home page, I have these four sections down here: portfolio, fine art, commercial, and creative. And then I have a section down at the bottom to visit my Facebook page. So the hardest thing I think about setting up this website was the e-commerce or the WooCommerce section, just because I have a really hard time with money and taxes and stuff. So it took me a while to figure out the settings for that. But I feel like it's coming along pretty nicely. There's a lot more work I'd like to do on this, but to make it more professional. But I'm excited to see where it takes me in my business, and I hope that it's successful. Thank you.